Who is known as the Iron Man of India? The correct answer is option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which freedom fighter is also known as Lokmanya? The correct answer is option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who is known as world poet? The correct answer is option C, Rabindranath Tagore. Dachigam National Park is located in which Indian state? The correct answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Which Indian state is also known as the land of Red River and Blue Hills? The correct answer is option B, Assam. What is the bank that manages the currency of India? The correct answer is option C, Reserve Bank of India. How many total languages are there on the Indian currency note? The correct answer is option A, 17. Which of the following is the correct color of 50 rupee note? The correct answer is option D, fluorescent blue. Ho said, a flag is not only a symbol of our independence but also the freedom of all people. The correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who hosted the Indian national flag on foreign land for the first time? The correct answer is option A, Bhikaiji Cama. Who was the first Indian musician to receive the Roman Magsaysay Award? The correct answer is option C, Subbu Lakshmi. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? The correct answer is option B, the Paramveer Chakra. What is seen on the front side of the Bharat Ratna Award? The correct answer is option D, Sunburst Design. Who is the only person who has received the Bharat Ratna in sports? The correct answer is option A, Sachin Tendulkar. Who was the first person to win Bharat Ratna Award after death? The correct answer is option B, Lal Bahadur Shastri. When was Election Commission of India established? The correct answer is option A, 25th January 1950. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as National Unity Day every year in India? The correct answer is option D, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the first Indian woman to win Miss World contest? The correct answer is option C, Reita Faria. How many spokes are there in Ashok Chakra situated in our flag? The correct answer is option C, 24. After India became a free nation, where did the first outdoor official flag hosting take place in the world? The correct answer is option A, Australia. How many can get Padma awards in a year? The correct answer is option D, 120. Which city is known as the Golden Capital of India? The correct answer is option B, Thrissur. Where is located the headquarters of Reserve Bank of India? The correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Where is the Central Rice Research Institute is located? The correct answer is option C, Cuttack. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to equality? The correct answer is option D, Article 14 to 18. Where is located Kaziranga National Park? The correct answer is option B, Assam. Who is the first Asian winner of Nobel Prize? The correct answer is option C, Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the leader of Bardauli Satyagraha? The correct answer is option D, Vallabhbhai Patel. When are Padma Awards given? The correct answer is option A, Republic Day. The Indian currency name rupee word is derived from which language? The correct answer is option C, Sanskrit. Thanks for watching the full video. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more videos.